Family health insurance. Most people only focus on the premium. But what about the claim settlement ratio, waiting periods, eligibility criteria, coverage features, and those optional benefits that truly matters during an emergency? Because when an emergency strikes, these are the factors that make all the differences. So today we will compare the top 6 family health insurance and understand what you should actually check before finalizing your policy. At Policy Hub, we don't just compare, we guide you to choose the right plan that truly fits your family's need. And before we compare, let me introduce myself. So, hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub. At Policy Hub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you have any query, book your free consultation with an expert, and link is given in the description. And you can explore us on social media for stay up to date with the insurance. So stay with me till the end of this video, as by the end of this video we will know what exactly to look for in family health insurance. So let's begin with the one of the most important aspects you have to look in family health insurance plan is the claim settlement ratio. CSR shows how efficiently a company settles its claim, and it gives you a fair idea of reliability. Among all 6 insurers, HDFC Ergo has 99% CSR, Tata AIG has 95% CSR, Bajaj Allianz has 96% CSR, ICICI Lombard goes even higher with 97%, while Niva UPA and Care Health Insurance stand at 92%, which is still quite dependable. So overall, all 6 insurers have maintained a healthy and trustworthy claim records, which is a good sign for policyholders. Now let's move on the eligibility criteria of all insurer who can be covered, and what is the age limit and how flexible each policy is when it comes to including family members. So starting with the SDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, this policy allows adult entry from 18 years of age with no maximum entry age, and meaning even seniors members can be covered without restriction. Children can be included from 91 days up to 25 years. And under the family floater plan option, you can include up to 4 adults and 6 children under a single policy. And in the individual policy, up to 6 adults and 6 children can be included. Now moving to the Tata AIG Medicare Select plan. Under Medicare Select Plan, adults entry age from 18 years with no maximum entry age limit, and child can be covered from 0 days, and making it suitable for newborns as well as elderly members. And under the Family Floater Plan, you can include self, spouse, up to 3 dependent children, and up to 2 parents or parents-in-law. And next is the Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, where adults can be covered from 18 years to 65 years and children from 91 days to up to 30 years. So this plan covers a wide set of family members including proposer, spouse, dependent parents, dependent sister or brother, dependent parents-in-law, dependent uncle or aunt, and dependent grandchildren. Now let's look at the ICICI Lombard Health Elevate Plan. Now if we talk about Elevate Plan, this policy offers adult entry from 18 years up to 125 years, and child are covered up to 30 years of age. Under the Family Floater Plan, you can include up to 2 adults and 3 children. And coming to the Niva Upa Reassure 3.0 plan, adults can enter the policy from 18 years up to 99 years, and children can be covered up to 30 years of age. And finally, the Care Health Ultimate Care Plan, it allows adults entry from 18 years with no upper age limit, and children can be covered from 91 days up to 25 years. And under the individual policy, you can include up to 6 members, while under the Family Floater Plan, it allows coverage for 2 adults and 2 children. If we talk about payment tenure and sum insured, then in HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, you can choose a policy up to 3 years, and sum insured ranges from 5 lakh to 2 crore. In Tata AIG, the sum insured ranges from 5 lakh to 1 crore, and you can make payment up to 3 years. And in Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, you can choose a policy tenure up to 3 years, and the sum insured ranges from 5 lakh to 3 crore. In ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan, the sum insured includes 5 lakh to unlimited sum insured, and the plan offers tenure up to 5 years, which is very unique. And in Niva Upa Reassure 3.0 plan, it offers an unlimited sum insured. You can select a policy tenure of up to 3 years, and in Care Health Ultimate Care Plan, the sum insured ranges from 5 lakh to 1 crore. and the maximum policy tenure you can avail is 5 years. Now let's compare all plans basic features. So in HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, if we talk about room rent limits, then Optima Secure Plan does not have any type of limit. And in Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan, the room rent is covered only for single private AC room. In Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, there is a no room rent limit. In ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan, there is a no limit on room rent. And in Nibopa Reassure 3.0 Plan and Care Health Ultimate Care Plan, in both plan also there is a no room rent limits. If we talk about pre and post hospitalization, then in HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, pre hospitalization is covered for 60 days and post hospitalization is covered for 180 days. In Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan, pre and post hospitalization both are covered for 90 days. In Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, pre and post hospitalization are covered for 60 and 90 days respectively. And in ICICI Elevate Plan, pre-hospitalization is covered for 90 days and post-hospitalization is covered for 180 days. And in Nivopa Reassure 3.0 plan, pre-hospitalization is covered for 60 days and post-hospitalization is covered for 180 days. And in Care Ultimate Care Plan, pre-hospitalization is covered for 60 days and post-hospitalization is covered for 90 days. Next feature is IUS treatment. Then IUS treatment is covered in all plans up to the sum insured. If we talk about bonus, then in Optima Secure Plan, you get a 50-50% bonus up to 100% of the sum insured, which does not reduce even after a claim. In Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan, you get a 50-50% bonus up to 100% of the sum insured. And in Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, in this also cumulative bonus is applicable for 50-50% up to 100%. In ICICI Elevate Plan, cumulative bonus available for 20% up to 100%. And in Nibopa Reassure 3.0 Plan, there is a no bonus as it already has unlimited sum insured option. And lastly, in Care Health Ultimate Care Plan, it giving 50% increase per year up to 100% of the sum insured. Now comes to the most interesting part, the unique feature that differentiate these plans. Optima Secure Plan provides enhanced coverage through benefits like Secure Benefit, Plus Benefit, Restore Benefit and Protect Benefit, which helps increase your sum insured automatically without any additional cost. And Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan focuses on affordability and practically, so it offers Restore and inflation benefit, and it helping your policy value stay ahead of medical inflation while also covering consumable expenses like gloves, syringes, etc. and along with Infinite Advantage and maternity care. And in Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, it covers doctor consultation and medicines outside hospitalization, and it also includes maternity benefits, making it suitable for young families planning for the future. And additionally, it provides OPD, inbuilt baby cover and inbuilt maternity cover. And ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan takes innovation further with features like infinite claim amount and allow multiple claim without worrying about exhausting your sum insured. It also provides loyalty bonus and restore benefit that refill your coverage if you use it. And along with Infinite Care, you will get Infinite Super Loyalty Bonus, Power Booster, Infinite Assurance with Jumpstart and Infinite Reset benefit. And with Nivopa Reassure 3.0 plan, it is known for its value-based approach. It offers wellness and loyalty rewards, premium discounts and even a money-back feature under certain wellness program. Its unique feature includes day one pre-existing disease loading, Booster Plus and Lock the Clock benefit. And lastly, Care Health Ultimate Care Plan focusing on flexibility and convenience, providing benefit like instant cover, no claim bonus and an unlimited recharge option that restore your sum insured multiple times in a single policy year. Ultimate Care Plan's other unique feature is money back, loyalty boost, wellness discount, welcome discount, infinity bonus and instant cover. So each insurer also provides a variety of optional or add-on benefits that allow you to enhance your family health insurance according to your personal needs. So these add-ons not only improve your protection but also make your policy more customized and valuable. So let's go through what each company offers in this segment. So starting with Optima Secure Plan, this plan gives you a wide range of rider options that truly enhance its overall coverage. You can include critical illness cover for major life-threatening condition, hospital cash benefit for daily hospitalization expenses, unlimited restore benefit which allows you to regain your entire sum insured after every claim. And apart from this, There's also an individual personal accident rider, Optima Well-being rider, ABCD Chronic, which is especially designed to support those dealing with long-term health conditions. Optima Secure Plan also offers unique add-ons like Limitless, which extend protection without capping benefits, and Parenthood Cover, offering additional security for maternity and newborn care. And altogether, these riders make SDFC Ergo Optima Secure one of the most flexible options for families that want all-round coverage with long-term care benefits. And moving on to Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan, this plan provides an impressive set of optional riders and value-added benefits. So you can choose the consumable benefits, which take care of non-payable items, reduction of maternity care waiting period, which helps families planning for pregnancy sooner. Other valuable add-ons include Infinite Advantage, Room Category Select, and aggregate deductible option, giving you the ability to personalize your plans as per your comfort. Aggregate deductible option is also available in the Optima Secure plan. Medicare Select Plan also offers multiple enhancement rider like the Supercharged Bonus Rider, Advanced Covered Rider, Preventive Health Checkup, and Outpatient Care, which provide coverage even for routine medical expenses. For women-specific protection, there is the Empower Her Rider, ensuring extra care for female health and maternity-related conditions. Next is the Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, which focuses on strengthening your financial security during emergencies. My Healthcare Plan offers loss of income cover, which provides monetary support if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. It also includes major illnesses and accident multiplier, and it gives international cover for those who may need treatment abroad and emergency care, which ensure immediate financial assistance during critical situation. Now coming to the ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan, which offers one of the most extensive list of optional benefits in this comparison. It includes worldwide cover, ensuring protection even when you are outside India, along with an NRI advantage for Indian citizens living abroad, and the Infinite Care and Compassionate Visit benefits provide emotional and logistic support during hospitalization, while the Chronic Disease Management Program and Senior Care Value Added Service offer long-term health support for patients managing ongoing conditions. Elevate Plan also features 2 hours hospitalization, power booster, super loyalty bonus, and claim protector, and all aimed at rewarding long-term customers and ensuring seamless claims. Additionally, you get an inflation protector to balance rising medical costs, maternity benefit, domestic care, ambulance cover, and dependent accommodation benefit. Elevate Plan also cover newborn baby cover, nursing at home, and durable medical equipment cover, taking care of recovery at home after discharge. In Elevate Plan, there are also options to reduce maternity waiting period, add personal accident and critical illness rider, and even customize your out-of-pocket expense through voluntary copayment and room modifier option. Next, let's talk about Nivopa Reassure 3.0 plan, which also offers a rich range of add-on features to strengthen protection. Some of the key optional benefits include Cashback Plus, which helps with non-medical expenses, and Nivopa One, designed for seamless coverage across different health needs. The plan offers annual health checkup, heads up, tiered network, giving customer access to structured care and the best network hospital. There are options like co-payment, personal accident cover, hospital daily cash benefit, and annual aggregate deductible, which give flexibility in managing your premiums and claims. And other important riders, it includes Claim Safeguard Plus, Well Consult Plus, and Borderless, which extend your coverage beyond Indian borders. So Nivopa even includes Borderless for specific illnesses, offering treatment benefit in international hospital for certain major disease. All of these features make Nivopa optional benefit one of the most globally competitive and wellness-focused offerings. Now let's move Care Ultimate Care Plan. It also comes with a wide array of wellness and protection add-ons. It offers wellness benefit to reward healthy livings, and Claim Shield, which safeguard you from deducting during claims, and pre-existing disease waiting period modification, which allow you to reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease. And Ultimate Care Plan also provide OPD benefit, premium payback, unlimited e-consultation, and the infinity bonus, which increases your sum insured every claim-free year. Additional benefit like instant cover and BeFit Plus focus on active health management, offering reward and consultation for maintaining a fit lifestyle. Now let's take a look at the discounts that provided by every insurer we are discussing. So starting with SDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, you get a loyalty discount of 2.5% and a family discount of up to 10%. And for those opting for long-term coverage, 7.5% discount on 2-year policies and 10% discount on 3-year policies. Moving to Medicare Select plan, you can get a 7.5% discount if you choose a 3-year policy and 5% discount on 2-year policy. Now, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare plan focuses on rewarding both families and long-term customers. They provide zone-based discount, 50% for Zone B and 20% for Zone C customers. And families can save with a 10% discount for 2 member and 50% discount if more than 2 member. And long-term discounts, if you buy policy for 2 years, then you will get 4% discount, and for 3-year policy, you will get 8% discount. And rather than that, you also get a 5% loyalty discount in Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare plan. Next, ICICI Lombard Elevate plan offers credit score based premium discount of up to 15%, wellness discount of up to 30%. And on top of that, there's an early renewal discount of 2.5%. And for long-term tenure discount, you will get 10% discount on 2-year policies and 50% discount on 3-year, 4-year and 5-year policies. Next is Care Health Ultimate Care plan. It stand out with its generous 30% wellness discount on renewal. Nivopa Reassure 3.0 plan long-term discount is 7.5% for 2-year policies and 15% for 3-year policies. If we talk about the waiting periods of all 6 insurers, so it almost the same across the board. All plans follow a standard structure with an initial waiting period of 30 days, pre-existing disease waiting period of 36 months and a specific disease waiting period for 24 months. So there is no major difference among them when it comes to waiting period. So whether you value loyalty rewards, long-term savings, each insurer provides meaningful ways to make your family health insurance more affordable. So in my opinion, always focus on reliability, coverage and flexibility. Plans like Optima Secure and Elevate plan are highly reliable with excellent claim settlement ratio and higher coverage. And for comprehensive coverage, including maternity benefit, OPD benefit, critical illness and wellness benefit, then Elevate plan and Ultimate Care plan and My Health Care plan stand out. Policies that allow all family members and offer long-term or wellness discount like Optima Secure, Medicare Select plan and Ultimate Care plan provide extra value. So choose a plan that fits your budget but ensure complete protection for your family. So the right choice will depend on your family's need. So whether you are looking for wider coverage, more add-ons or long-term savings. So if you are still unsure which one suits you best, you can always book your free consultation with an expert and get personalized guidance before choosing your plan. So if this video is useful for you, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can watch each plan separately at the end screen of this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.